Let's talk meditation. I've practiced meditation for the last couple of years, and today I'll share with you 3 practices that I use. Hi, my name is Dr. Erwin Kwun. If you're new here, I help high performers create habits to lead a happy and successful life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Thursday. Meditation has been a game-changing practice for me. I've practiced meditation for the last couple of years, and I've found that practicing meditation has really helped me in all aspects of life. If you talked to me about meditation some 5 years ago, I would probably feel nauseated and I thought it was woo-woo. But actually, when I got into the research in meditation and studied what meditation actually do to the brain, it changed the way I thought about meditation, and I gave it a go. So today I'll share with you 3 practices of meditation that I use. The first practice is mindful breathing, using the breath to anchor yourself to the present. It's not about the breath, it's more about the awareness of the present moment. But you use the breath to anchor yourself to the present. So the way I practice mindful breathing is I focus on the breath. So focusing on the breath as I inhale and focusing on the breath as I exhale. Some people find that if they put their hand on the chest and on the abdomen, it helps them while they're taking the breath. Noticing that the abdomen increases in size during the inhale and reduces in size in the exhale. So the next practice is a body scan meditation. It is an easy practice that you can do anywhere, anytime. So for example, let's say I'm quite stressed and overwhelmed. What I'll do, I'll switch into the body scan meditation. How you use a body scan meditation is you use your body to actually be more aware of the present moment. So you notice parts of your body that you were previously unaware of. For example, body scan practice is to focus on the sole of your feet. Notice the pressure on the soles of the feet. Notice how the pressure is. Notice the weight of your legs on your feet. And then noticing the weight on the bottom. Notice the pressure of the chair against your bottom. Notice your upper back, the muscles of the upper back. Is it feeling itchy or not? Noticing your forehead. So this is how you practice body scan. You scan each part of your body. You can go from head to toe. And the next practice is a love and kindness meditation. This practice takes longer. So this practice is grounded on compassion, kindness. I find practicing love and kindness increases my positive emotion and also help me to gain clarity and focus. So the love and kindness meditation is to focus on other people, to focus on how you express gratitude, you express kindness, and you express good wishes to other people. And then you also do it for yourself. You express kindness for yourself. And you visualize other people also expressing kindness and gratitude to you. There are different ways of practicing love and kindness meditation. Each person practices love and kindness meditation differently. I suggest you give it a go and see which one best suits you. So here you have my 3 practices of meditation: mindful breathing, body scan, and love and kindness meditation. Let me know which one is your favorite and how you're getting along with practicing meditation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos every Thursday. Take care everybody. Bye bye.